Hey, KS Services is now running their $59 fall tune-up special. Our team arrives on time and is always professional. Be sure your unit is ready for the cooler temperatures by visiting our website, callks.com today, and schedule your appointment. It's fast and easy. The weather's getting cooler and the days are getting shorter. Don't let the fall weather sneak up on you. Call us today. 205-322-9090, AL certification number 1112.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Wednesday, the 25th of October. I'm James Spann. Cool again tonight. Over the weekend, even colder. In fact, we could see a widespread frost and possible freezing conditions for spots by Sunday and Monday morning. So let's go in there and check things out. Water vapor satellite view. What a trough over the eastern U.S. Wow. Pulling down some very cool air, temperatures in the upper 50s and low 60s at mid-afternoon. We should be about 73 this time of the year based on averages. We're way below that. Around the region, we do note Shreveport and Tulsa in the 70s, and I do think we'll see low 70s in here tomorrow and Friday, but again, after those 2 days of moderating temperatures, more cold air blows in Saturday. In fact, Saturday will be more like a midwinter day. Frost and freeze warnings in effect for areas north of the state. And again, our main chance of that type weather will come Sunday and Monday morning, as you'll see. I don't think we have any severe weather problems today. How about that? Not only do we have no risk of severe weather, basically no risk of thunder, maybe along the immediate upper Atlantic coast, and that's it. But on day 3, which is Friday into Friday night, there could be some thunder here with the cold front moving in. We don't expect any severe weather, however. The air should be fairly stable, and the wind feels not especially conducive for severe storms. Rain amounts about 1/2 to 1 inch with that event Friday night into Saturday morning. And off in the tropics, we have that disturbance on the coast of Central America. A low chance of developing in the next 2 days, a medium chance of developing in the next 5 days. And more than likely, if anything forms here, it's going to ride up that front this weekend just off the Atlantic coast of the United States, and rain will be the main issue. Model fans, let's check it out. This is the GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 1 o'clock. And this is about 18,000 feet up where the pressure is 500 millibars. And again, we have a dry northwest flow aloft, and again, a beautiful day. We start the day around 40. The high should be in the low 70s, a little warmer than today, not as windy as well. Friday, start the day in the 50s. The high, Friday, around 73. The GFS depicting 73, and the NAM as well. We notice the front west of the state from Indianapolis down to Dallas-Fort Worth. And look at the snow up north from Minneapolis-St. Paul. How about that? This is Friday night. Just after midnight, 1 a.m. Saturday, and rain and storms moving in. And, of course, the question is, will the rain arrive after the high school games are over or during the games? Let's take a look at the high-resolution NAM. We've got this now within 60 hours. This is valid Friday evening at 7 o'clock. And what this is suggesting is, yes, a chance of showers for the games, the better chance of showers over the western half of the state, but the most widespread rain probably holding off until after 10 or 11 o'clock. So the way it looks now for the high school football games Friday night, a chance of showers over the western half of the state, but again, the most widespread rain after the games are over. Saturday, rain should be ending during the midday hours, it looks like. The better chance of rain will be during the morning. And it's going to be cloudy, windy, cold, and blustery. These are projected temperatures at 1 o'clock Saturday afternoon. 47 at Fort Payne, 44 at Anniston, 45 at Alexander City. Birmingham and Tuscaloosa, 54. But it's with clouds and wind, it's going to just be a very raw, uncomfortable day. Got the Magic City Classic in Birmingham. Jacksonville State's playing a home game. Just bundle up. But again, we think the bulk of the rain will be during the morning. Sunday should be a dry day, but breezy and cold. We start the day in the mid-30s. We might be close to freezing in spots, but again, we're going to see wind, so most likely the frost Sunday morning will not be that widespread. The high Sunday should be in the upper 50s. And again, Monday, this is when the surface high gets on top of us, and I think that's going to be our colder morning, where frost should be widespread, and many spots will see a freeze away from the larger cities. So be aware of that. And then Tuesday looks like a dry day with a high back in the 60s. Wednesday, still got troughing over the eastern states, and another front approaching from the north. That might kick off a few showers by Wednesday afternoon or Wednesday night if this verifies. This is the end of the forecast period, Saturday, November 4th. The flow goes zonal, and that looks dry and cool, with a 10:30 high nosing in from the east if this verifies. Check the numbers. You can see that big cool down this weekend. The high Saturday, 55. The high Sunday is 51. I think we'll be warmer than that, but those morning lows, very valid. The GFS for Birmingham depicting 35 Sunday morning, 34 Monday morning. Your number could vary. And after that, highs mostly in the 60s and lows mostly in the 40s for the rest of next week. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening, on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Hey, KS Services is now running their $59 fall tune-up special. The weather's getting cooler and the days are getting shorter. Don't let the fall weather sneak up on you. Call us today, 205-322-9090, AL certification number 11120.